In the diagram below, triangle XYZ has vertices -2, 1, y is -3, 5, and z -6, 3. What is the slope of altitude drawn from y point to segment XZ, to the segment? So first we know that altitude of triangle, because this is triangle, is the perpendicular segment from the vertex to the opposite side, or to the line that contains the opposite side. So will be our altitude must be perpendicular to segment. This is our altitude. In other words, this is height of our triangle, and altitude is perpendicular segment. So here we have right angle. What we have to find? We have to find the slope of altitude. This is our altitude. Because we have given point Z and X, we can find the slope of line XZ. When we have this slope, and we know that altitude is perpendicular segment, so we will calculate this slope from equation that the product of these two slopes is -1. So first we will find the slope of XZ segment, because if we extend, this is like XZ line. The slope of this XZ line we can calculate because we have given this 2 points, and formula for the slope is m is equal, in numerator, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this example, we have slope of XZ. Our point X has coordinates. This is our x1, y1, and Z has coordinates. This is x2, y2. So now we will substitute to this formula y2 by 3 minus y1 is 1, x2 is -6, and x1 is -2. So you have to write in parentheses, this is equal, 3 minus 1 is 2, -6, negative and negative give me positive, so -6 plus 2, so this is -4. So we can reduce 2 and 4, so it will be 1 and 2. We have -1/2, the slope of XZ line. And because this altitude is perpendicular, so the product of slope my we can write, let's put that this is slope of this line, m, because passed by y point, so I will write my times slope of mxz must be equal -1. This is formula of two lines which are perpendicular. mxz we calculate is -1/2, so my we copy times -1/2, this is equal -1. Now we will multiply both sides by -2. So 2 and 2 will reduce. Negative times negative give me positive. So we have my is equal -1 times -2. So this is 2. We found the slope of my. This is our my line. This line is perpendicular to xz. So that's why I can use this formula. The product of these two slopes must be equal -1 if they are perpendicular. This is my solution. The slope of altitude draw from y to xz segment is 2.